Do you have a growing collection of glass bottles taking over your recycling bin? Don't toss them out just yet. With a little creativity and some basic tools, you can transform those empty vessels into unique and stylish drinking glasses. This fun and easy DIY project is a fantastic way to reduce waste, express your creativity, and add a touch of personalized flair to your kitchenware. Get ready to turn trash into treasure with this simple guide to upcycling glass bottles into chic drinking glasses. Before you begin your bottle cutting journey, you'll need to gather a few essential supplies. Bottle cutting can be a fun and creative way to repurpose old glass bottles into beautiful and functional items. Whether you're making drinking glasses, vases, or decorative pieces, having the right tools and materials is crucial for a successful project. Don't worry, most of these items are readily available online or at your local hardware store. Here's what you'll need to get started on your bottle cutting adventure. First, let's talk about the bottles themselves. Empty glass bottles. Choose bottles with interesting shapes and sizes that appeal to you. The variety in shapes and colors can add a unique touch to your final product. Wine bottles, beer bottles, and even soda bottles can all be used for different projects. A glass cutter. This tool will be your best friend throughout the process. Opt for a high-quality cutter for best results. A good glass cutter will ensure clean, precise cuts, making the rest of the process much easier and safer. Safety glasses. Protecting your eyes from flying glass shards is crucial. Always wear safety glasses when cutting glass to prevent any accidents. Your eyes are precious, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Work gloves. Keep your hands safe from sharp edges with a sturdy pair of gloves. Glass can be very sharp, and wearing gloves will help prevent cuts and injuries while handling the bottles. Coarse and fine grit sandpaper. These will be used to smooth out the cut edges of your glasses. After cutting the bottle, the edges can be quite sharp and uneven. Sandpaper will help you achieve a smooth, safe edge. A large bucket or sink. You'll need a place to soak and rinse your bottles. Soaking the bottles in water can help with the cutting process and make it easier to clean them afterward. Make sure the bucket or sink is large enough to accommodate the bottles you plan to cut. Additionally, having a marker and a ruler can be very helpful. Use the marker to draw a guideline on the bottle where you want to make the cut. The ruler will help ensure that your cuts are straight and even, giving your finished product a professional look. Finally, a heat source like a candle or a small torch can be used to help separate the bottle along the scored line. By heating the scored line and then cooling it quickly, you can create a clean break. This step requires patience and practice, but it can make a big difference in the quality of your cuts. With these essential tools and materials, you'll be well on your way to creating beautiful, upcycled glass pieces. Happy bottle cutting! Now comes the exciting part, cutting your bottles. This process is not only fun, but also a great way to recycle and create something beautiful and functional from what would otherwise be waste. Start by cleaning your bottles thoroughly and removing any labels. This step is crucial because any residue or dirt can interfere with the cutting process and affect the final product. Use warm, soapy water and a scrubber to ensure the bottles are spotless. If the labels are stubborn, soaking the bottles in water for a few hours can help loosen them. Once your bottles are clean and dry, use a glass cutter to score a line around the circumference of the bottle where you want to make your cut. The scoring line is essentially a guide that will help you achieve a clean break. Make sure to mark the line evenly, as an uneven score can result in an uneven cut. Apply firm, even pressure as you rotate the bottle against the cutter, ensuring a clean, continuous score line. Consistency is key here. Too much pressure can crack the bottle, while too little pressure might not create a deep enough score. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first few attempts aren't flawless. Once you've scored your bottle, it's time to separate the two sections. This is where the magic happens, transforming your bottle into two distinct pieces that can be further refined. You can do this by carefully tapping the score line with a small hammer. The tapping should be gentle yet firm, encouraging the glass to break along the scored line. This method requires a bit of patience and a steady hand. Alternatively, you can use a bottle cutting jig that applies heat and cold to the score line, causing a clean break. This method is often more reliable and can produce a smoother edge. The jig typically involves heating the score line with a candle or a small torch and then quickly cooling it with ice water. With a little practice, you'll be cutting bottles like a pro in no time. The more you practice, the better you'll get at judging the right amount of pressure and the perfect score line. Soon, you'll have a collection of beautifully cut bottles ready to be transformed into glasses, vases, or even candle holders. Happy crafting! Working with glass always carries a risk of cuts or injuries. It's essential to prioritize safety throughout the process. Always wear your safety glasses and work gloves when handling glass, especially when cutting or sanding. Keep in mind that glass shards can be incredibly sharp and difficult to see. After cutting your bottles, carefully inspect the cut edges for any remaining shards. Dispose of any broken glass immediately and make sure your work area is clean and free of hazards. Remember, safety is paramount. Section 5. Smooth and polished, perfecting your glass rims. Once you've separated your bottle, you'll likely be left with a rough and potentially sharp edge. But hey, don't worry, smoothing it out is easier than you think. Start by using coarse grit sandpaper to gently grind down any sharp edges. Use a circular motion and apply even pressure, working your way around the rim of the glass. Once you've removed any sharp edges, switch to fine grit sandpaper to smooth and polish the rim. Continue sanding until the edge feels smooth to the touch. Rinse the glass thoroughly to remove any glass dust, and voila! You now have a perfectly safe and polished drinking glass. Section 6. Unleash your creativity, personalizing your upcycled glasses. This is where the magic truly happens. You've already taken the first step by upcycling your glass bottles, but now it's time to make them uniquely yours. Personalizing your glasses not only adds a personal touch, but also makes them great conversation starters and perfect gifts for friends and family. The fun doesn't stop at simply cutting the bottles. Once you've got your basic glass shapes, the real adventure begins. Think of your glasses as blank canvases, ready to be transformed into works of art. Now it's time to let your creativity shine by customizing your new glasses. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just looking for a fun weekend project, there are endless possibilities to explore. From intricate designs to simple, elegant touches, your imagination is the only limit. Here are a few ideas to get you started. You can mix and match different techniques to create something truly unique. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The beauty of DIY projects is that there are no rules, just endless opportunities to express yourself. Glass etching. Create beautiful frosted designs on your glasses with etching cream. This technique allows you to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your glassware. You can etch names, patterns, or even intricate designs that catch the light beautifully. Simply apply the cream according to the manufacturer's instructions. Let it sit, and then rinse it off to reveal your personalized design. The process is straightforward, and the results are stunning. It's a great way to add a professional touch to your DIY glasses. Painting. Use glass paint to add pops of color, patterns, or even personalized messages to your glasses. This is perfect for those who love vibrant and bold designs. You can create anything from abstract art to detailed illustrations, making each glass a unique masterpiece. Decorative tape. Add a touch of whimsy with colorful washi tape. This is a quick and easy way to decorate your glasses without the need for any special tools or skills. Washi tape comes in a variety of colors and patterns, so you can easily find something that suits your style. Create stripes, patterns, or even wrap the entire glass for a bold statement. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you can easily change the design whenever you want. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and make your upcycled glasses truly one of a kind. Section 7. Showcasing your creations. Enjoying your unique drinkware. Congratulations on creating your very own upcycled drinking glasses. These one-of-a-kind creations are not only functional, but also beautiful conversation starters. Proudly display your handiwork on your bar cart, dining table, or kitchen shelves. Use them to serve refreshing beverages to guests, or simply enjoy your morning juice in style. These unique glasses also make thoughtful and eco-friendly gifts for friends and family. Share your love for sustainability and crafting by gifting these personalized creations for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Section 8. The Sustainable Choice Upcycling for a Greener Planet. Upcycling is a fantastic way to reduce waste and give new life to discarded materials. By transforming old bottles into drinking glasses, you're not only creating something beautiful and functional, but also contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Every bottle you upcycle is one less item ending up in a landfill. In addition to reducing waste, upcycling also conserves resources and reduces the environmental impact associated with manufacturing new products. By choosing to upcycle, you're making a conscious effort to protect our planet for future generations. Section 9. Conclusion: raise a glass to creativity and sustainability. Upcycling glass bottles into drinking glasses is a rewarding and enjoyable project that combines creativity, sustainability, and a touch of DIY magic. It's a fantastic way to reduce waste, personalize your home decor, and impress your friends with your crafting skills. So, gather your supplies, put on your creative hat, and transform those empty bottles into stylish and eco-friendly drinking glasses. Cheers to a greener planet and a home filled with unique handcrafted treasures.